espesyal na araw na ito.
Tama mo yun!
Magkakasayahan tayo! At kung hindi nyo na itatanong,
Ay, Mayor.
yan ang kanyang mga punchline niya. Hindi nyo na itatanong, magdiriwang tayo ng isang birthday at mahal nating OG Dabarkad. Wala nang iba. Ang tito nating lahat,
Ay.
ang tito nyo, ang tito ko, ang tito ng buong bansa.
Yan.
Dito ay si Tito Sen!
Tito Sen!
Tito Sen! Tito Sen! Tito Sen! Napakaraming gustong bumati sa iyo, Tito Sen. Eto na.
Maligayang kaarawan, Senator Tito Soto. Mula sa Buting, Pasig City, hindi ka
Magagapi.
magagapi. Lagi kang magwawagi mula sa aming puso.
Yan. Ayun katabi, Tito Sen, age is just a number.
Talaga. Totoo yan. Wala sa itsura yan.
Wala.
Tito Sen, God bless. Tito Sen, we love you. Thank you so much.
Wow, so much.
Happy birthday, Tito Sen! Bunutin mo kami, please.
Happy birthday, Tito Sen. Number 1 ka sa puso namin.
Mahal ka ng Barangay Buting.
Happy birthday,
Handa ng mga Dabarkads natin dito. At makikiserin ang mga Dabarkads natin. Siyempre, nandyan siya. Sa Studio Friends!
Hi, my friend!
Yay! Mayor ang Team Studio, makikiparty na rin! Let's celebrate Dabarkad! Ito, maraming mga bumabati. Happy birthday, Tito Soto from Carol's Angels.
Sharon's Angels from QC. Akasio family from Lemery, Bingencar from Dubai, UAE. Meron pa doon ang Reyes family from Ottawa, Canada.
Hello!
South Carolina. Buong mundo na yata dito ngayon sa birthday.
The
ni
whole
Tito Sen.
universe, mamala.
Correct. Kaya present na rin sa birthday party ang OG Dabarkads, Bossing and Joey!
Thank you. Bakit nandiyan si Alan? Okay. Nasaan man kayo, kasali kayo sa espesyal na araw na to.
Happy na, birthday pa.
Yun.
Kaya Dabarkad, sabay-sabay tayo. Happy birthday, Tito
Tito
Sen!
Sen!
Music!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mga Dabarkads, eto na ang birthday boy. Ang tito nyo, ang tito ko, ang tito ng buong Pilipinas at ng buong mundo. Tito Sen! You know,
Ayun na. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Sen.
Thank you so much.
Dabarkad, si Tito Sen lagi nagpapahula ng mga items sa Gimme 5. Diba? At dahil birthday mo ngayon, Tito Sen, may special Dabarkads list tayo. Gimme 5 on the board.
May 5,000 ba yan, boss?
Eto na, we will give you 5 of your favorite songs.
Yun.
Happy birthday.
Okay. Okay, isa-isang i-reveal na yan. Okay.
Oh.
Ayan, pan. Ano?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Wow! Driving me crazy.
Watch me now.
I'm with a little bit cold now. Well, do you love me? Well, do you love me? Now do you love me?
Do you love me?
Now that I can tell. Watch me now.
Nakaboses pa na Tito Sen.
Talaga ba?
Next!
Oh, sino yan?
Well, it's been building up inside of me for, oh, I don't know how long. I don't know why, but I keep thinking something's bound to go wrong. The looks in my eyes and makes me realize what he says. Don't worry, baby. Don't worry, baby. Tonight. Don't worry, baby. Don't worry, baby. Don't worry, baby. He told me, baby, when you race today, just take along my love with you. And if you knew how much I love you, baby, nothing could go wrong with you. And he does to me when he makes love to me, when he says, don't worry, baby, don't worry, baby, tonight. Don't worry, baby, don't worry, baby, don't worry, baby, tonight. Don't worry, baby, don't worry, baby, don't worry, baby.
Next!
Tito from the AI Farm. Happy birthday, Tito Sen.
Thank you.
Singapore yan.
Dabarkads, marami pa kayong dapat malaman tungkol sa ating birthday boy. Eto, panoorin natin to.
Buong bansa, kilalang kilala ang OG Dabarkas na si Tito Sen.
Tito Sen! Tito Sen!
Ano nga ba ang hindi alam ng marami tungkol kay Tito Sen?
No coaching, no coaching.
Hindi lahat ng mga tao alam, magician siya. Yes! Galing. None other than Tito Sen. Hi.
Yan na po, Dabarkads ha. Tingnan niyo mabuti. Ayan na.
5 minutes later. Medyo pumapaya, pero yun yung nakakatawa kay Tito Sen. Siya ay isang pinakasikat na TikToker. Content creator. Yes.
Ayun po yung malakas na loob ng mga. Hindi mo na.
Sa pinakamakukulit na Dabarkads. TikTokers. Parang tatay, parang mother figure ka. Guys, genuinely, very caring. Kahit sa mga Dabarkads,
Happy birthday po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay na galing po sa amin on camera.
Face recognition. Kailangan mo nakasmile.
super love you, Tito Sen.
Love you, Tito Sen.
Thank you, Tito Sen.
Yan, si Tito Sen. Kaya maraming nagmamahal sa kanya.
Hangad po namin ang inyong magandang kalusugan at makapagpasaya pa ng maraming Dabarkads. Muli, Happy Birthday, Tito Sen!
Happy birthday, Tito Sen!
Happy birthday po sa aming pinakamamahal na si Tito Sen.
Maraming salamat po na tulungan niyo po ako na makita po namin ang papa namin. Happy birthday po, Tito Sen.
Hangad po namin ang inyong kalusugan. Happy birthday,
Kami mga Dabarkads mo sa Malrite Golf and Country Club ay nananalangin na ikaw ay maging malakas at humaba ang buhay para makapaglingkod sa ating mga kababayang Pilipino at sa ating minamahal na bansa.
Happy birthday, Tito Sen. Wish ko po na bigyan po kayo ni Lord ng malusog na katawan at marami pang blessings para mas madami po kayo na matulungan na estudyante na katulad ko.
Happy birthday, Tito Sen! More birthdays to come! God bless!
Ligaya ng araw ng Tito Sen!
Harap po namin ang inyong malusog na pangangatawan upang patuloy na makapaglingkod sa ating bayan.
Happy birthday, Tito Sen!
Happy birthday sa OG Dabarkads na titong-tito at tatay rin! Happy birthday, Tito Sen!
Happy birthday, Tito Sen!
Ang gaganda naman ito mga bataan ni Helen Gamboa. Lalo na ito.
Ano?
Ito,
Kamukha ba?
Sino kamukha? Oh, si Astro Boy, di ba?
Sorry. Helen Gamboa po.
Pero bossing, may tanong siya. Si Astro Boy ba lalaki?
Tinanong mo. Bato, grabe, hindi ko sila hindi makakilala. Di ba si Tsura ni Tasio?
Happy birthday, Tito Sen!
Happy birthday
Thank
po.
you.
Wala pa kayong mga message?
Salamat, thank you very much.
Ha? 5 Helen Gamboa? Magsimula ka. Magsimula ka.
Tito Sen, napakadami ko pong gustong sabihin sa inyo. Tulad ng mga utang ko po.
O, napakadami
Sana
mo
po,
ng
hindi
utang.
na ako pagbayarin.
Birthday naman eh.
Alam ko, napakabait nyo.
Nakabawi na. Dumaban pa uli.
Oh.
Napaun uli.
6,000 ulit.
Tito Sen, happy birthday. Mahal na mahal ka po namin. Thank you po sa pagiging tatay po sa amin. Yes, yes, love you.
Thank you very much.
Miles!
Handa
Tito
na eh.
Sen, i-text ko na lang. Happy birthday, Tito Sen. Salamat kasi game na game ka sa lahat. Alam mo bang pumapasok na kami araw-araw para sa magic mo? Tama. Yun ang inaabangan namin, Tito Sen. Kaya mahal po namin kayo at dahil birthday niyo po, pwedeng-pwede ka bumati today, Tito Sen. Happy birthday po.
Salamat ng marami.
Happy birthday, Tito Sen!
Thank you,
Una po sa
inaanak.
lahat,
Thank you
gusto po
very much.
namin sabihin na mahal po namin kayo and thank you for entertaining us in your own unique ways.
Thank you so much.
We love you,
Thank
Tito Sen.
thank
Happy
you. Love you too. Love you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tito Sen!
Ayun na.
Maraming salamat sa lahat, especially yung dance move na ganito. Thank you for
Parang
always...
dance moves.
Ganito.
Wow!
Pero maraming salamat and thank you for always joining us sa kulitan and always being like a father figure to all of us Dabarkads. Happy birthday po.
My pleasure.
Karen,
Tito Sen, happy birthday po.
Danish language.
Ay, hindi ko po yun alam.
Okay.
Yes. I just wanted...
Cebuano.
Cebuano. Tito Sen, salamat sa tanan, sa pagdala og happiness sa tanan Dabarkads nato. And I just want to thank you for being a father figure to us. And
Uy, naiiyak. Wala, naiiyak si
Hindi po.
Karen.
Thank you, Tito Sen. We love you po very much.
Huwag kang umiyak, madali kita sa Denmark.
Ay, yung mga queens. Yung mga queens. Happy birthday po. And thank you for the music that you've been making for everyone for the past so many years. Maraming salamat. At sa Itbulaga, yung entertainment. At yung pong pagtuturo sa amin ng mabubuting asa, lalo na sa mga makukulit na batang tulad nito. Happy birthday po.
Tito Sen, happy birthday.
Hindi, okay na.
Okay na.
Baka pwede naman magsalita.
Okay lang. Huwag ka lang mag-iimbita sa Klaus mamaya.
Oh.
Dahil wala doon.
Punta ka doon mamaya, blow out kita. Tito Sen, ang kasipagan mo sa pagpasok, ang tinutularan ko, kaya umabot ako ng 30 years din dito. Galing mo. Dito, tsaka sa Senado, ang sipag mo.
Hanggang
Di
30
tulad
lang.
nito. Ha? Di tulad nito. Happy birthday, Tito
O,
Sen.
yung mga queens.
Oh.
Sige, Queen G.
Sabay-sabay na. Ha? Sabay-sabay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Sen.
Hindi naman kompleto mga babate, kundi babate si na Mayor. Barangay, pasok!
Up!
Sopa!
Ano ang mensahe nyo?
Hi, Tito Sen. Happy birthday. Binabati ka po ng buong barangay. Barangay Butik, Pasig City!
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, yun na yun.
Kaya nandito po silang lahat bumabati. Kanina po, binasa na namin at marami pa pong gustong bumati sa inyo. Iisa-isahin po namin yan kahit po, tapos na po yung oras natin. Babati pa rin po tayo hanggang dun sa dulo.
Hanggang dulo yan.
Oh, Luis, Tito Sen.
Thank you very much.
Bate.
Tito Sen, maraming salamat. Boss, tatay, kaibigan, lahat-lahat. Good health po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Sen. Yun, good health din. At saka laging happy. Salamat.
Tito Sen, ikaw na rin nagagtayo sa akin dito sa kinalalagyan ko. At ngayon, pinag-ahunting na ako ng iba. Pero happy birthday po, Tito Sen. Maraming salamat po sa araw-araw na ginagawa niyo po sa buong Dabarkad at yung pagsaserbisyo niyo po sa buong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po, lalo po yung sinasabi niyo lagi na huwag kakalimutan, magdasal. Yan po ang pinangahawakan namin ngayon dahil kayo po, isa, kung wala naman po kami mga ama, ikaw po ang isa tinuturing naming ama dito sa amin. Happy birthday po. I love you po, Tito Sen.
I love you too.
We love you,
Tito Sen.
Tito Sen.
Maraming salamat. Unang-una sa lahat, first and foremost, siyempre, maraming salamat sa Panginoong Diyos para sa panibagong taon. Para makasama ang pamilya at kayo, mga Dabarkads, salamat sa aking pamilya na laging nakasuporta. Naririto sila. Salamat din sa mga Dabarkads sa pamumuno ni Big at ni Joey. Kasama yung buong TVJ Productions, sa pamumuno ni Jenny at ni Direct Pucci. Salamat sa pagkakataong maging bahagi ng buhay nyo sa araw-araw. Yung araw-araw nating magkakasama dito sa Itbulaga. Napakalaking biyaya. Ang tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayong nagkakasama para sa araw-araw na isang libot, isang tuwa.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay, make a wish.
Ayaw mamatay, ah.
Mabuhay. It's a prank.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Sen!
Love you. Happy birthday, Tito Sen.
Mula sa Buting Barangay Council, Happy birthday, Tito Sen!
Chairman, Tito Sen, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday ang nag-iisang Tito Sen ng buong Pilipinas. Happy birthday po, Tito Sen.
Hi, Tito Sen. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Tito Sen.
And thank you po sa nagpapaaral sa akin.
Happy birthday, thank you.
Paring Tito, patuloy mong bigyan ng saya ang maraming tao. Happy birthday.
Okay, hindi pa natatapos sa mga sorpresa. Tito, dahil birthday mo, may sorpresa pa rin kami sa'yo.
Araw-araw natin nakakasama si Tito Sen, pero marami pa tayong dapat malaman sa kanya.
Ay, bago nyo pa itanong, isasabihin na namin sa inyo. Panoorin natin to. Ay, ganun kadali. Aber, hindi nyo na itatanong. Hindi nyo na itatanong.
Hindi nyo na itatanong na si Tito Sen ay isang world-class national athlete.
Sa mga hindi nakakaalala, sa mga millennials, si Tito Sen, si partner, ay naging World Bowling Doubles partner ko sa World Championships and international champion siya sa bowling. Enjoy your special day, partner. God bless you. Mabuhay ka. More power to you.
Happy birthday, Coach Tito Sen! Alam mo, nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo na ginawa mo akong champion. At lalo na sa higit sa lahat, nagpapasalamat din ako na in-encourage mo ako maging commissioner ng Philippine Sports Commission na makatulong din ako sa mga ibang atleta. Happy birthday!
Hindi nyo na itatanong
si Tito Sen ay isang true blue musician.
Hindi kanila naabutan nung tayo nasa Vicor pa noon, nung ikaw pa head ng ating production. Hindi nila alam na ang galing-galing mo. Kaya kinikwento ko sa nila, alam mo si Tito, kahit na atang sinong singer, pag sinabi niyang sisikat yan, sumisikat nga. Lagi sumisikat yung mga gusto niyang pasikatin eh. Katulad ito si Pops Fernandez, si Sharon Cuneta, si Virna Lisa, yung kumanta na Magkaisa. Alam ko si Freddy Aguilar din, yung panahon na yon. Si Rico Puno. Tapos isa pa, yung BST. Nako, grabe yun. Si Tito ang nag-isip niyan eh. Kaya ako naging arranger dahil kay Tito. Kaya to, happy birthday. Sana mahaba pa ang buhay mo dahil marami pa tayong gagawin, lalo na ngayon, nagtayo ka ng studio.
Daddy, it's Sha. I love you very, very much. Thank you for everything. You are really the reason that I started my journey in showbiz, and without you, I could never have gotten to wherever it is I have arrived. I love you very much, Daddy. Happy, happy birthday. And I'll always love you, always be your panganay. God bless you.
Hindi nyo na itatanong, si Tito Sen ay very dedicated sa work at very caring din sa kanyang staff.
37 years of being with you, sir. I can't imagine what my life may have been kung hindi po ikaw ang naging boss ko. I am just so blessed. Words are not enough to thank you and your entire family for giving me so much trust and for treating me as if I'm really part of your family. I pray that the Lord will always guide and protect you and continue to bless you with good health. Happy, happy birthday po, sir. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo.
Si Senator Soto ay napaka-caring na boss. Siya yung tipo na boss na kahit nasa event kami, hindi niya nakakalimutang tanungin kung kumain na ba kami, kung kamusta ba kami. He's also a very dedicated legislator. He really puts his heart in everything that he does. Hindi rin siya late.
Lalo na nung pandemya, kaunting senador lang ang pumapasok sa Senate at isa na dyan si Senate President Soto. At dahil sa kanyang dedikasyon, nakapag-akda siya ng 261 na batas.
Huwag din natin kalimutan, inakda din niya ang Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency or PDEA dahil ito ay ang kanyang advocacy ang kontrahin ang illegal drugs.
Happy birthday, boss! We love you!
Hindi niya na itatanong, si Tito Sen ay very loving na tatay. Hindi lang sa aming mga Dabber Cats, lalong-lalo na sa kanyang mga anak at apo.
I can't believe it. I'm so happy you're living a long life. I miss you and I love you so much. Happy 52nd birthday. Ganon kakabata ka, itsura mo. And I just want to say, of all the years living with you and you being in my life, tinuturing mo kami ng younger brother ko, parang anak mo na, hindi lang grandchildren. Salamat doon for being very supportive and being jack of all trades. You're the best grandfather I will never find. Ikaw, lagi nakatatak sa puso ko. Tito Soto, I love you. Happy birthday.
Something I think people don't know about Tatay is that he really is very loving in and outside of the house. Tatay's heart is really genuine, even at home. He takes it out on his grandkids and showers us with so much genuine love and support, which I really appreciate. So, Tatay, happy birthday. I wanted to say that you are the most humble person, you are the most wise person that I know. I'm very blessed that God gave me a grandfather like you. I pray for more abundance and more blessings for you. Thank you for always being there for us, always making us laugh, and for setting a really good example of us with what a man of God is supposed to be like. Happy birthday!
Yan si Tito. At hindi nyo na itatanong, may surpresa pa. Kaya Tito, huwag ka na muna magtanong. Ito ang regalo namin sa'yo.
Girl, you really got me down. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing, yeah. Oh yeah, you really got me down. You got me so I can't sleep at night. You really got me. You really got me. You really got me. Please don't ever let me be. I only wanna be by your side. Please don't ever let me be. I only wanna be by your side. Girl, you really got me now. You got me, I don't know what I'm doing, yeah. Oh yeah, you really got me now. You got me so I can't sleep at night. You really got me. You really got me. You really got me.
Happy birthday, Tatay. Happy birthday, Tatay.
Mga Dabber Cats, Vice Mayor Gian Soto and Hugo together with the Lockdown Band. May mga message pa kayo guys and Hugo kay Tito Sen.
Hugo. Happy birthday, Tatay. I really want to thank you. I really want to thank you for everything you've done for me and the family. You're like a second father for me. And I really appreciate everything you do. Love you, Tatay. Happy birthday.
Love you too. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tatay. Words are never enough po to thank you, to thank God for blessing us with a father na katulad po ninyo. All my life, all I want to do is to aspire to be like you and to follow your footsteps dahil you're the best example for me of a man of God and a man who loves his family, loves his brothers, and loves his fellow countrymen. I love you, Dad. Happy birthday po.
Thank you. Love you too. Thank you.
Tito Sen.
Tito Sen.
Babati din ang pamilya mo.
Hindi pa natapos yung surprise?
Oh, hindi pa. Tito Sen, hanggang 4:30 tayo.
Sandali lang. Hindi niyo na itatanong. Si Alan kailan po ang sakit ng ulo ni Tito?
Hindi totoo yan.
Tatay, happy birthday. Gian said it already. We love you very much. We are thankful to God for giving us an earthly father like you. Like Gian said, you are the best example. You are a man of integrity. You are very principled. You fight for what you believe is right. And thank you for fighting for Eat Bulaga. You never gave up. You never gave up. And
Yay!
Tapos.
Eto, si Kuya Maru. Tito Sen, si Kuya Maru mo.
Happy birthday to a very caring brother and very protective. Be strong. Stay healthy. Happy
Thank you.
birthday.
Thank you.
Oh, Mama Joy?
Da, happy birthday, Da. Thank you for everything that you do for me and treating me like your own daughter. We love you so much, and as I said in my message to you, we thank God for you every single day. We love you, Da.
Happy birthday, my brother. We are so proud of you, and I pray for more blessings for you, abundant blessings, because you are a blessing to your family, to your countrymen. Happy birthday. We love you.
Thank you. Parang kang politiko na rin. Si Wahoo, huwag niyong pamapatiin yan, ha?
Bakit?
Papatiin lang yung sarili niya.
O sabihin mo lang, happy birthday!
Anak ni Val. Happy birthday sa akin, tsaka kay Tito Sen.
Wow.
Tito Sen, grabe yung pamilya mo. Ang pupogi, ang gaganda. Ang layo sa pamilya ko.
Okay.
Sa paniwala sa hindi ako pinaka-pogi sa pamilya.
May sorpresa na yung mga
yes.
yung mga apo mo, tsaka si Only Son, si Gian. Ngayon naman, nandun rin ang iyong one and only.
The only one?
Dabar Gods, Miss Helen Gamboa Soto.
When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. When you've got worries, all the noise and the hurry seems to help, I know. Downtown, just listen to the music of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk with the neon signs so pretty. How can you lose? The nights are much brighter than you can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares. So go downtown, things will be great when you're downtown. No finer place for sure. Downtown, everything's waiting for you. Don't hang around and let your problems surround you. There are movie shows downtown. Maybe you know some little places to go to where they never close. Downtown, just listen to the rhythm of a gentle bossa nova. You'll be dancing with them too before the night is over. Happy again. The lights are much brighter there. You can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares. So go downtown, where all the lights are bright. Downtown, waiting for you tonight. Downtown, you're gonna be alright And you may find somebody kind to help and understand you. Someone who is just like you and needs a gentle hand to guide them along. So maybe I'll see you there. We can forget all the troubles, forget all your cares. So go downtown. Things will be good when you're downtown. Don't worry.
Nag-wipe na.
Downtown, everything's waiting for you.
Thank you.
Ang one and only ni Tito Sen, Miss Helen Gamboa Soto!
Yun ang isa sa mga hit niya nung araw, pero ganyan ang suot niya.
Oh, pero ang tinig ko, Burn Clowns.
Burn Clowns.
Downtown.
Downtown ba yun?
Okay. Ate Helen, may message ka kay Kuya Tito.
Siyempre.
Siyempre naman.
Marami.
Umuwi kang maaga.
Pinaka-importante. Pinaka-importante. Nagpapasalamat ako sa ating Panginoong Jesucristo. Pangalawa sa inyong lahat na talaga namang hindi kayo bumibitaw sa TVJ. Napakaganda po ng regalong binibigay ninyo sa TVJ, lalo na birthday ngayon ni Tito Sen. Kaya gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa inyo ng walang katapusan. Sana talagang ma-celebrate natin yung 50th anniversary nila.
Thank you. Thank you.
Salamat po. Salamat.
Thank you, Ate Helen. Okay, at itutuloy pa natin ang espesyal na araw na birthday ni Tito Sen. At sa pagbabalik,
may Olympics!
Eat Bulaga Olympics!
Nako!
Sa pagbabalik ng
Eat Bulaga!
Are much better than you can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares, so go.